So what is the mistake that most people make when trying to recover from autoimmune imbalances and hormonal imbalances, especially when related skin issues appear? Yeah, so when I understood this one concept, so much more made sense. So there's a little thing going around at the moment that says, your gut is the second brain. Now, I actually thought this was a load of bull when I heard it. I was like, oh, what are they talking about? What a load of crap. Like, really? What do they think this is? That's literally what I was thinking. But think about this. The surface of the human body is around 1 to 1.5 square meters. Now, when you measure the surface area of your gut from your mouth all the way down to the other end, it can be about 32 square meters or even up to, I think I read 2,000 square meters, depending on how you measure it. Anyway, bare minimum, it's 30 times the surface area of the outer surface of your skin. So wouldn't it make sense that what you put inside your body has a huge effect on the outside of your body? Totally. That's right. So when we are adding things to our gut that inflame our system, what do you think's going to happen? Yeah, you are going to see inflammation throughout your body, and that can appear in joints, that can appear on the surface of your skin, that can appear in your gut, that can appear anywhere. So inflammation from your gut can appear literally anywhere in your body. So when we're looking at this, it's really important that we don't add things to our gut that are going to cause inflammation, right? So is this making sense? If this is making sense, please like this video. Yes, so tomorrow I'm actually going to do a video on this, on the 5 top things that cause inflammation from your gut and can appear in different forms on your skin. Now, I've had this quote from Dr. Ken Berry, actually, and it really resonated with me because I have a predetermined genetic, what do they call it, a predisposition genetically. And what he says is, you have this loaded gun, which is your genes, and just because you have this predisposition doesn't mean you have to pull the trigger by adding things to your stomach that will create an issue. So he's likening to the things that you put into your body as pulling the trigger on your genes. So I really thought that was relevant to this topic. And yeah, so what you put into your stomach actually has a huge impact on your genes. Yeah. Anyway, so tomorrow I will do the 5 huge things that cause a massive impact on your skin, especially if you have a predisposition for an autoimmune issue, a thyroid issue, or a hormonal imbalance. Okay, until tomorrow. Bye.